Carrie is taking a 240-mile bicycle trip through Vermont. She has 3 times as many miles to go as she has already ridden. How many miles has she biked so far? We'll start by letting x be the number of miles that she has already ridden. If we draw a line segment that represents the whole trip, which is 240 miles, then we can cut this into 2 parts. We know that the smaller part is the part that she's already ridden, so we'll call that x. And if we go back and we reread the second sentence, it says she has 3 times as many miles to go as she has already ridden, meaning this portion that's left is 3 times the portion that she has already ridden, or we'll call it 3x. So together, the part she's already ridden, which is x, plus the part she has left to ride, which is 3x, equals the total of 240 miles. So this will be our equation to solve. Well, on the left we have like terms. We have x plus 3x, which gives us 4x is equal to 240. To isolate x, we need to divide both sides by 4. This gives us x is 60. We can check by plugging in 60 for the first portion that she's ridden, and then 3 times 60 is 180 for the second part, which she has left to ride. So 60 plus 180 is 240. So this answer does check. Therefore, Carrie has biked 60 miles so far.